friends, I'm Alexander. Today I'll update on construction progress second phase of Layan Green Park. Let's start with the main updates. We are continuing to build a retaining wall. In Zone 1, concrete pouring is underway as workers set up formwork and pour foundation for future structures. And in Zone 2, excavators are clearing the soil to prepare the site for the next stage. So the area is being reinforced around the perimeter. Good news, the slab for Building F has been poured, and now the frame is 100% complete. At the same time, installation of sheet piles is being installed to ensure the foundation stability next to the reservoir. The crew is also laying drainage pipes to divert water from the foundation and protect the building from moisture. Everything is going according to plan, the frame is solid, and soon we'll move to the finishing stages. Building G. Here, progress on the architectural work has already reached 57%. The interior brickwork is completely finished. That means the walls are already done. Workers are plastering the 5th, 6th, and 7th floors. Exterior plastering has started, and the facade is taking on its finished look. Engineers have begun installing hot and cold water supply systems on the 6th and 7th floors, so plumbing points are available in the apartments. Also, cable trays and channels for low-voltage systems, like communications, internet, and video surveillance, are 30% installed. In the apartment showroom, the plastering is finished, and the crew is now installing furniture and handling the final decor. We'll show you the finished space soon. In Building H, progress on architectural work is at 46%. The interior brickwork is also completely finished. Workers are doing plastering on the 3rd and 4th floors. At the same time, installation of cold and hot water supply systems is underway on the 5th, 6th, and 7th floors. Additionally, electricians are installing electrical systems on the 6th and 7th floors, including cables for panels, outlets, air conditioner connections, and lighting. Building H is progressing steadily and will soon be ready for further finishing. In Building K, we have completed pouring the staircases from the 4th to 7th floor. At the same time, sewer pipes are being installed on the 6th and 7th floors to provide bathrooms and kitchens with plumbing. The crew is also marking out the floors for interior partition construction. Soon, wall installation will begin, and the apartments will start to take their final shape. In Building L, work continues with pouring columns and walls for first and second basement levels, foundation almost complete. At the same time, excavation of rocky soil is nearly complete. Soon we can move on to installing waterproofing and backfilling. As seen, there's a lot happening on site. Walls polished, furniture installed in showrooms, foundation work, and engineering systems installation ongoing. Construction is proceeding according to plan, and we are approaching the next important stages. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. Very soon, we'll show you the finished showroom and continue to keep you updated on each building. See you in the next update.